All right, now we are ready to cut the top shelf. So first step is I'm gonna jump into the corner and check how square these walls are. And luckily, it's looking pretty nice. So I'm gonna have the level set at about 2 meters. And that's looking bang on perfect, which is lucky. And so what we're gonna do is, because this is a wall to end panel, we will be cutting the top shelf 16 mil short to allow for the 16 mil end panel that we will put in, which will act as our wall jamb. All right, we can now put up the top shelf, which is simply as easy as this. Whoa, beauty. The next step we have is using our long level to mark where the cleats are going to go. This cleat will support the top shelf, one on this end panel and one on the wall. So we'll just grab the level, make sure it's level, perfect. And then we'll use that to make a mark. Just like that. So what I've done here is I've pre-countersunk the cleat, and hot tip, make sure you use the 25 mil screws because you don't want to come out the other side of your return end. We have both cleats on now, which will enable us to put the top shelf on and finish that off. So simple as, hopefully, lifting it up. Bit precarious, here we go, bit higher. Oh, looking good. Perfect. Look at that. All right. That is looking great. Good job, you. We've now finished off the top shelf with the addition of putting in back cleats. Now these are only provided if the span here is greater than 1 meter, and we put them in just there.